the Evergoods CIVIC Access Pouch 2 liter. It's been called brilliant, genius, and dare I say, the pouch that changed everything. Let's see what all the fuss is about. This is the first piece of gear from Evergoods on this channel. Shout out to them for sending it over for me to check out. I gotta say, I am pretty excited to be reviewing this today. I've heard so many good things about Evergoods, including many comments from you right here on the channel. So a review of their products is long overdue. Speaking of, be sure to subscribe because I'll also be doing a 2 weeks one bag video with their Civic Panel Loader 24 liter in the near future. All right, so at 2 liters, this is gonna be a pretty versatile pouch. And your dimensions are gonna be 9.5 inches in width, 5.75 inches in height, and a depth of 3.5 inches. And it's gonna weigh about half a pound. So some of the many ways you can use it would be a tech pouch, a toiletries bag, a camera cube, or even a gaming case. So let's talk a little bit about the shape and the feel of this thing. It has this rectangular shape to it, which means it is going to stand on its own very, very easily. It's also very well padded and structured. You can kind of hear it has this kind of like padded shell to create that structure. The outside fabric on here is a 420D high tenacity nylon, which does feel really nice to the touch. You're also gonna see this Evergoods subtle logo out here, and you can put a patch on here if you so choose to. I don't really know much about the whole patch world, to be honest, so please educate me on where to get some cool patches for this in the comments below. I know you need those like Velcro patches to be able to put on here. You can't do it with just any patch, like for instance, like here's just a regular patch, but you need that Velcro on the back for it to stick. So there's gonna be 2 small slip pockets on the front here that you can put like little documents, you can put like notebooks or some cash in there, honestly. And then the outside of the pouch is also going to have 2 handles, so one on the top and one on the bottom, in case you do want to carry this like a lunchbox or something. But to be honest, these handles are pretty useless in my opinion. So we've got a YKK zipper on the top that's going to lead you to a quick access pocket that also features a key leash. And then the other YKK zipper that has a little pull on it is gonna kind of go around the bag. And when you open this up, the top flap folds over like so, creating open access and this kind of iconic triangular shape to the bag. Inside the pouch, you'll find another zipper back into that quick access pocket, a padded zippered divider, and some other open organization pockets. Before we jump into packing this up, I just want to mention that this bag will cost you $75 US, but it does come with a lifetime warranty. All right, so let's go ahead and pack out some typical daily carry in this thing. And look at that like triangular shape. That's super cool. I love that it does just stand on its own. You can kind of put it on your desk. It's great like desk caddy once you get to work or wherever you're going. So that's a really nice feature here. But let's start out with something that most people probably aren't gonna pack, but I've been digging this recently. I've been going through my old cassette tape collection. So I have a couple cassettes that I'll bring today, including this EP from My Bloody Valentine. This is the Glider EP. It's a classic. If you haven't heard My Bloody Valentine or shoegaze in general, go check them out. They're the perfect place to start. One of my like top 10 favorite bands of all time. And then in addition to that, I also have this fantastic album from the satirical punk band, the Dead Milkmen, Philadelphia's finest, I might add. And this album just has so many great tracks on, including like their one hit that they had on MTV called Punk Rock Girl. You might know that one, but the whole album is fantastic. So highly suggest checking out the Dead Milkmen. I just saw them at Riot Fest this summer and they were still so good. It was awesome. Probably my favorite band that I saw. All right, we also have this little Sony Walkman that we're gonna be bringing along, which is really cool. You can hear it right here. Listen to this. Oh yeah. Love that sound of the old cassette player. But yeah, this one works really well. It's probably like, honestly, 25 years old at this point. But yeah, pop in a couple AA batteries and you're good to go. It also has a little mega bass on the front. So if you really want some bass to your music, pop that little thing on and you're good to go. So let's throw this in the back here as well. So you kind of got these two big pockets here filled with your cassette player as well as a couple cassettes. So packing this from the back to the front, the next area is this little pocket here. This is gonna be a good place for some notebooks. So right here I have some Field Note notebooks. These are from their latest collection, the 1943 collection. I did a video on that, so if you're curious about these, be sure to check that out because it's a really cool little collection from Field Notes. Let's put those notebooks in right here. And then next to that, I think we're gonna be able to fit this little Moft tripod. So this thing is cool if you're out and you need to film something with your phone. You can set it up just like this, grab your phone, plop it on the back there. You're kind of good to go with this little mini tripod. So yeah. Pretty cool there too. Also, you can do like FaceTimes with it, which is really nice. I use it sometimes when like my daughter and I are FaceTiming with my mom, stuff like that. Prop it up like this. It's really nice to have. So highly suggest getting one of those from Moft. Just plop that in right there. So you can see we're packing that out pretty good right now. Next, in the middle here, you have this zipper pocket. This is gonna be a good place for pens in my case. I like to keep those a little bit separate in case they click open. Now they have their own little case right there. They won't get on anything if they do. We also have like kind of a nice size space right here in the front. So we'll finish packing that out with my wired headphones because we're definitely gonna need those for the old Sony Walkman. No Bluetooth on that model. So we'll put those in the front there. And lastly, let's add a little mouse. This one is from Logitech. Just in case we're doing, some work at a coffee shop or something. Sometimes when you're doing editing or design work, it's a little easier if you have a mouse. So I like to bring one of these along too. So everything's kind of packed out in the bag. So let's go ahead and zip up that main pocket. Then we also have this top pocket left. And in here you have a key leash. I don't really know what else to put in here, so I guess we'll go ahead and put some keys in here. Got my keys right here. Go ahead and add those in there. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty big space for something else. If you do want to pack out something in here, maybe some sunglasses would work, honestly, or some regular glasses. Yeah, I know I use my regular glasses a lot more the older I get. So this could actually be a really good space to put put your glasses in too. So there you go, we're all packed out. So is the Evergoods CIVIC Access 2-liter pouch really the game and life changer that many people on the internet claim it is? Probably not. It's a really, really nice pouch. I like a lot about it. I love the rectangular shape that it has. I really like this right here when you can just open it up and it goes, there it is. Yeah, that's nice. Like, I really like that. There's something very satisfying about being able to do that, to open it up and to have everything just right here, kind of at your fingertips. It's a great, great desk caddy. And yeah, I'm gonna highly suggest this to people for sure. It's not gonna change your life or anything like that. It's not like genius or brilliant, but it's a cool little piece of travel and everyday carry gear. And at $75, you know, it's competitive with all of the other brands kind of in this realm of Evergoods. So like your Airs and your Pioneer Carries, your Bellroys, like those kind of companies. It is pretty competitively priced with those kind of brands. So yeah, I suggest picking one of these up. I think it's a really, really nice tool, and I think you're really gonna enjoy it. Not gonna change your life, but I do think you're going to love this pouch from Evergoods. So with that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.